first official video filmed in the new house. My muscle food order has just arrived, so I'm gonna get it open, show you what I've got, put it away, then I will film a day's worth of food one day this week. I'm not sure what one I'm gonna do, and then we'll do a results at the end of the video for how my weigh-in went. Okay. Ooh. I've got the bump to do the Unthinkable plan. I've obviously already had this because I've done it before. I've got another disc, and then my recipe card. Right. So snacks, we've got mountain chips, the chili ones. I really liked these last time. I've got 4 bags of those. I've got a few bags of the pork, 4 bags of the pork scratching because they are amazing. I've got a bag of Hippies, the cheese ones. These are the chickpea puffs, which are amazing. Breakfast, I've got some high protein salted caramel cookie. I have one of these chocolate ones last time, it was really good, so I wanted to try that one as well. I've got 2 lots of the little Rice Krispie kind of protein crunch, and they're kind of like, maybe more like cornflake cakes, but they're chocolate ones and they are really, really good. I've got 2 of them. I've got, just trying to grab everything. Got a gingerbread porridge. This is really, really good. The only porridge I didn't like was the peanut butter one, but this is really nice. I've got a Trek original protein flapjack. I've got 2 caramel protein bars. These like taste like Mars bars basically. 2 of those. 2 of the mint ones, and 1 salted caramel. I didn't have this last time. The Diet Whey protein bar as a snack. And then all my frozen stuff. I've got an original chicken and rice pot, a satay chicken rice pot, that was just so good, a tikka masala rice pot, black bean chicken, another satay, another original. Oh, I got the protein pancakes as well, the maple syrup protein pancakes. These are a new thing for one of my breakfasts. I'm super excited for those. Yes, yes, yes. Another chili black bean pot. A Thai green curry one. Ben had this last time and said it was really good, but I didn't have it last time, so I'm excited to try that. And then I've got 2 of the Chinese chicken curry stir fry mixes, because this was just like literally the nicest curry I've ever had. It was so, so good. All of these are going to go in my chest freezer, which in the new kitchen is just under here. And for my breakfast today, because it's 11:15, but I've been so hungry, I've been waiting. They've literally just arrived and I've been waiting because I wanted to do like a full week this week. So I think for my breakfast today, I'm probably just gonna have the Trek bar because it's nice and easy. But yeah, I will vlog, probably not gonna vlog today to be honest, because we only move into the house on Friday. Today is Monday, and I've got a lot to do, so I'll probably vlog maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure. But yeah, that is what I got for this week's muscle food. Let's get on it. And now this week I am going to do the workout DVD. I don't want to, I don't like exercising, but I'm going to do it. And I'll put in some before pictures. I took some pictures this morning in my undergarments, sort of, and I'll put them in now, and then at the end of the month we will see how they're different. And I'm going to put my measurements in the description box so I can see how much I lose in inches as well. See you later. Morning guys. So today I am vlogging my food. For my breakfast today I'm having the protein oats, and this is the gingerbread porridge. It's really easy to make. You just add hot water. So I'm gonna do that now and I will show you what it looks like. It is, I've had this one before and it is so yummy. So yeah, I will show you guys how I do it. It's all done. You just leave it for like 2 minutes. I like my porridge quite stodgy and thick. I don't like runny porridge, so that is what I've got. It is so good. I love gingerbread porridge. So yeah, that's my breakfast. We will come back later for lunch. Okay guys, it's 11:30. And I'm having my mountain chips. These are my morning snack. These are the sweet chili ones. They are super, super yummy. I think for lunch today, I think I'm gonna have, might just have the plain rice pot, I'm not sure. I think I've got black bean and satay, but then tonight I've got a Chinese chicken curry. So I might have the plain rice for lunch, and then I'll have Chinese curry tonight. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna have now. These are super, super delicious. Let me just kind of, they look like puffy Doritos, but they're like really nice and crunchy. So they're not too spicy. This is my first snack. I've also got pork scratchings for tonight, and you're sitting on my protein bar. But they're my other snacks for the day. Yeah, so I'm going to eat them. Okay, I forgot to film my lunch because I'm rubbish basically. Mum arrived and I just ate it and didn't really think about it. But it's now 4:30 and I want to have my afternoon snack. So I'm going to have half of this high-low bar. This is the chocolate and caramel crunch bar. I'm going to have half of this, or just a couple of bites of this, just for something to tide me over. And then I will have, come on camera, I will have my dinner tonight, and then my evening snack is going to be one of these. So I just want a little bit of this now, just to have something a little bit sweet. You know, you just need something a little bit sweet. Look at this, it's so good. Look. It's so yummy. I'm literally just going to have 2 bites and put it away. And then I always want snacks when I'm watching telly in the evenings, so I will have this after my dinner tonight with my pork scratchings for my evening snack. But yeah, it's so good. So I'm going to go put it away, and then I'll come back and we'll cook my dinner. Probably going to have it at like 6, 7. And then I've got to do the DVD, which I will show you a bit, and then we'll have snacks and watch telly later. It is 8 o'clock now, making my dinner. I'm having the this thing, which is the Chinese chicken curry portion thing. Let me just, where can I put you a minute? You can sit on this bowl for a minute. I've got a pan on because you can add like 40 grams of rice. This, I've got the curry sauce, and I've got peas and onions, but I'm not going to add this because I hate onions. I'm just going to add my own peas. And then I've got the chicken here. I got it out yesterday morning, but it's still a bit frozen, but it'll be fine. And I'm going to cook it in this pan. So you have to add 10 ml of oil, which I'm going to add now. I'm going to put this pan on like 4. I'll let that heat up for a minute, put some oil in it, and then we'll start cooking. So this is my finished curry. I added 40 grams of rice and I'm excited to eat it. You can have 2 portions of veg a day, so I added 60 grams of peas. Yeah, I'm excited to have it. It's so good. I'm gonna go and eat it now and watch telly. It's snack time. I've got the rest of my caramel bar and my pork scratchings. I'll just show you these because they're amazing. These are my favourite things out of the whole thing. Good morning. I did my vlog yesterday of what I was going to eat, but I'm trying something new today, so I thought we'd have a look. It's the protein pancakes. These are the maple pancakes. You have to freeze them when you get them, and then it says heat and defrost thoroughly before heating, and once defrosted, consume within 24 hours. So I'm assuming you put them in the toaster. Oh, they smell good. So they look like this. They smell really nice. I'm going to put them in the toaster for a bit and we will see what happens. Wait there. I put it on really low because I don't want to burn them. Please excuse the state of me. This is bed hair. Yeah, we'll come back in a minute. They're cooked. They look really good. I'm just gonna they're yummy. They're really nice. I think there's plain ones, maple ones. There was another flavour as well, but I can't remember what it was. So I'm gonna go and eat these. My camera just doesn't want to focus today. It's just like it's too early. I'm gonna go and have these, and then we will do results at some point. Not today because it's not the end. Good morning, guys. It is weigh day for my first week of redoing the Do the Unthinkable plan, and I've stayed the same, which I'm absolutely fine with, because this is a TMI. I had my coil removed on Monday, and she did say that I could have some bloating and some water retention, so I'm not worried at all. Yeah, I've really enjoyed the plan again. I had a couple of things I hadn't had before. I had the protein pancakes, which are really, really good. My next delivery is coming tomorrow, and I will do a weekly update video every week, obviously, Lucy. But yeah, stay the same this week, which I'm absolutely fine with considering the circumstances. But my first week when I did it, I lost 2.5 pounds, as did Ben, so I'm really looking forward to starting again this week. Like, I have the weekends off. On mine I'm doing the 5 days on, 2 days off, and I don't go crazy on the 2 days off, because that defeats the object. I just kind of just eat what the family are eating. Like this weekend we had chili, we had friends around and we had chili. Me and Ben had sausage and mash on Saturday night, but I do measure out my portions, so I'm not just like mash. And I have little skinny heck sausages rather than pork ones, so I even it out. I like adapt the meal so they're the same as everyone else, but a healthier version. So yeah, that is my first week redoing the plan. As I've said before, I do have a discount code where you can get some money off. I will put it on the screen and I'll pop it down below with a link. If you want to use that, you are welcome to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Muscle Food again for sending me all the yummers, and I look forward to next week, when hopefully I want to get like 2 or 3 pounds off. That's what I'll be happy with next week. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye guys.